Hello, today we're going to take a quick tour of Canvas and some of the tools that you can access in there for your grade level. To get to Canvas, first you're going to want to go to our BPS One login and you will click on the Canvas tile. Once it opens up, it'll go right to your dashboard. So these are the courses that you have access to. Mine shows many courses because I help with the K-5 courses, so you won't see as many. If you don't want to look at them from your dashboard view and you want to make sure that you're seeing all the courses that you have access to, on the left you'll see this menu bar. So you'll want to click on Courses and then scroll down and be sure to choose All Courses. This is especially helpful if you're looking for something and you're not certain that you have access to it, but just to double check. Once you scroll here, then it will show all of the courses that you have access to. Most of you will have access just to grade level courses, so let's pretend that you're a first grade teacher. You would see grade 1 ELA, grade 1 health, grade 1 science, and grade 1 social studies. Math is combined under K-5 math standards and assessments. Most of the courses have a very similar format, so when you open them up, what you will see for each module, we have standards. There's some information for how to enter things into Infinite Campus. And then it's broken down into units with the unit planner, the materials you might need, and the assessments as well. So that is how you can navigate your way around Canvas. If you do not have access to all of the courses that you need to have access to in Canvas, you can contact Curriculum and Instruction, and you would send an email to me, Laura Ramsborg, and I can get you access to what you need.